Taco night's always a hit in our house, and today I'm going to be trying a copycat recipe at home. I'm going to be making the Chipotle-style barbacoa beef. This is an easy dish to make at home because it uses your slow cooker and it uses an inexpensive cut of beef chuck roast that you just sear quickly in a pan and then put in a slow cooker with a couple flavorful ingredients to make the sauce, and in 8 hours you've got a really delicious barbacoa-style shredded beef. First, I'm gonna dry off my beef to make sure it's nice and dry and then season it all over with salt and pepper. Next, I'm gonna heat my vegetable oil in a large skillet, and in batches, I'm gonna cook the beef until it's browned on all sides, about 1 minute per side. Then I'm gonna put the beef in the slow cooker. Next, in a small bowl, I'm gonna combine beef broth, apple cider vinegar, lime juice, chipotle peppers, garlic, cumin, oregano, and cloves. I'm going to stir in the bay leaves, making sure everything's coated in the sauce. All these ingredients are going to make this super flavorful sauce after this beef cooks for 8 hours on low until it's fork tender. After your beef is done cooking for 8 to 10 hours, you're going to discard the bay leaves and remove the beef and shred it using 2 forks. It should be so tender that it falls apart really easily. Then you can return your shredded beef to the slow cooker to have it marinate in the sauce for about 10 more minutes before you're ready to serve. All right, first bite, Cam, in the taco bowl. This is amazing. I wish you guys could be here to eat this with me. It is so flavorful and tender. It's got so much flavor. It's definitely as good as the restaurant. A great takeout favorite at home. It'll totally make your taco bowl.